Anju Modi, and the gorgeous Jacqueline Fernandez. I will ask Mr. Sunil Nayak to say a few words first before I move to Anju. The collection was lovely, it was fabulous. I think every bride would want to wear it.
Thank you so
Say a
much.
few words, please, about your collection.
When I came to know that Reliance Jewels is going to be my, like we are joining hands to put up a show, I kept the name as Manikarnika, which is like a gem, and it is a story of reincarnation of the 8th century princess, and who is like born as a modern woman as Jacqueline, and she is the Manikarnika. Yes. And basically, the idea was to carry on our heritage aesthetics and the very age old embroideries and the techniques to make the jewelries. And in our country, I feel like even in the 8th, 9th century, when we visit the caves and Ajanta, Ellora, and Khajuraho, we see so much of beautiful jewelry, gold and those uncut diamonds and everything, which is still carrying on after so many centuries beyond.
The
So
tradition
that means,
continues.
yes, the tradition continues, but with a modern tweak. So that's what I presented in my collection, that in today's time, today's bride can also wear the similar stuff what our ancestors used to wear, but with a little modernized, little fashionable, and the jewelry goes very well with it. We use the mantikas dropping down till here, till the forehead, and the hair accessories and everything, because it's little too boring to just use one little mounting card, one little, ornament. Well, yes, but then. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Well,
I have
you
to
are
be
different.
simpler, okay?
No, you are the real woman of today.
Okay, you are going back in time.
Yeah, sorry. You made me laugh.
Okay.
Okay, so the models were kind of, exaggerated in terms of
Okay.
the hair accessory.
This is the second time actually I've walked for Reliance, and the first time I've walked for Anju Modi, and I'm a huge fan. I've been following her
Thank you.
work for like the longest time, and I just think her stuff is so exquisite and so Indian. And when we did our trials and our fittings, she was like, so basically you're playing Manika? No? Mani?
Manikarnika.
Oh, God. I thought at least in the press conference I get it right. So I was like, okay, I'm supposed to be playing this princess, this modern day princess. I can't even pronounce the name. But I think it was just such a pleasure.
You can call yourself Mani.
Money. Okay.
Yes.
I don't mind that either.
It has two meanings. Money is a gem, money is a money.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. But so yeah, I mean, I just think, of course, just wearing this kind of stuff is, I mean, it's just exquisite. It makes you definitely feel like a princess. I think even the story behind it, of 8th, 9th century, our ancestors from back then. It's just like going back in time and stepping into their shoes, and not many people get to do that, but luckily we do get to do it through creative people like you, and I feel very fortunate to be part of the show today. So thank you. Amazing, I'm like so flattered. I'm like, cool, it's the second time I'm walking for them in 1 year. But I mean, obviously their stuff is amazing, and I actually wanted to say that filigree is one of my favorite things to see in jewelry, and because there's something so vintage, about it,
Yeah.
but it's just timeless. So I was just so happy to see that there was filigree that was part of the jewelry for this collection.
Thank you. Any other questions?
You were just named Money, and Kick also did really well. So did you
I
also
like
get
the
too much
connection, Abhishek.
So did you also get like
Yes.
too much of money deposited in your account, and you are like a rich woman by now?
I don't know, my manager's here, you can ask her, her name's Janvi. You can have that chat with her later, separate interview.
No, but the response has been like really well. So
Mhm. No,
like, have you been like getting more offers now? What after Roy? Because the next is Roy.
Well, yeah, I'll be starting shooting for Roy next week actually, and we'll be making an announcement soon on the projects that are to follow. But I just think that everyone is in such a great space right now after Kick doing very well, and everyone's really happy about that. We went through a lot this past year when it came to Kick, and finally it's like released and it's done well. It's been a huge celebration, I think, for everyone. And as for my upcoming projects, we'll be making an announcement, I think, very soon.
And just like you who's playing a princess right now as a showstopper, your friend Sonam Kapoor is also playing a princess in
Yes.
a film Coop. Have you seen the trailers? Because you guys have been like really complimenting each other for their work. So
Yeah, I mean, I just saw something she put today on her social media site, which was like really cool, some promotion, and it's looking like a fun, cool film. So I'm wishing her all the best for that. And she is a real life princess, actually. So when she is our fashion icon, of course,
Yes,
as
of
well,
course.
and we all love her. So we wish her the best for her upcoming movie.
and you've been
I
wearing a lot of bridal outfits. So when do you actually be a bride? Like really?
don't know. I could get married right now, actually.
Thank
Two?
you.
Tanju Modi.
Great. We'll have a quick photo op now.
Okay.
All three.
You were like, oh, press conference.
Yeah, all of you right side. Start from right side. Yeah, Jacqueline. Jacqueline, yeah. One more right, all of you. Jacqueline, yeah. Yeah, in the center. Jacqueline, yeah, one more.
This side. Jacqueline here.
Ma'am, yeah, this one. Stayed here. Thank you.
Jacqueline, here center. One more idea. Here, right corner.
Jacqueline, straight here. Jacqueline here.
Yeah, in the center.
This side. Right.
Thank you everyone for taking the time to come here. I think from IMG, Hamleys and from Mattel, this is really a landmark event for all of us. We've been working at this. I was just talking about it with my friends here, and we've been working on this for the last 3 months, and it's incredible to see everything just come together so flawlessly on the stage. The first ever show of its kind. It started off with just an idea back in a meeting which we had 4 months back. Over the last 3 months, we've been working very closely with Hamleys and now with IMG as well to really make sure that the young boys and young girls who are fans of Barbie and Hot Wheels get a chance to really showcase their talent and personality on stage. So one of a kind event. Like I said, we are very proud and very excited to be here and more than happy to answer any questions.
Do we have any questions? Any questions from the media, or we'll move to the photo op? Okay, great. I think you.
Thank you.
Okay, a quick photo op, please.
Does Rohanika want to say something about
You
her?
want to say something? Okay, we have Rohanika to say something.
How did you feel, Rohanika? You felt nice?
Did you like him?
Louis, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
What did you like the most?
I was very excited to walk the ramp on behalf of Barbie. Barbie is my favorite doll, and Barbie is the most fashionable doll in the world. Thank you. Thank you, Barbie, for giving me this opportunity. And making me feel just like Barbie.
Thank you so much, Rohanika. I think it's an inspiration for all other kids as well. I think you look gorgeous, and you're already a star. Quick photo op, please.
Sure.
We have two other young Barbie fans who want to say something. Okay? You want to say something? You can speak into this mic. Give your name first.
Good evening, judges. My name is Nasa. I enjoy with playing Barbie, and I love Barbie. I am very happy to get the opportunity to be dressed up like Barbie. So, I like to enjoy.
River Island was one brand that I used to really shop a lot whenever I had UK shoots and I was shooting in London. So I've shopped a lot from the brand, and I'm so glad that Jabong is really bringing that brand to India for the first time. I don't have to really go all the way to UK always to really get stuff from there. I think as far as Jabong is concerned, it's really great that they've just started in Jan 2012 and they've come up to being the leading fashion destination in just about 2.5 years. That's a great thing. That's a superb thing. And having these, online shopping, I think is becoming a trend nowadays. Everyone's busy with their own lives. There's not much time to really go to malls and to shops many times, especially for a person like me. So I think a site like Jabong.com, getting all these international brands to India is a huge thing. And yeah, I love the stuff. You can shop from head to toe, I think, whether it's casual wear or it's evening wear. They have accessories, they have bags, they have loads of clothes. And as you can see in the collection, the autumn winter collection, it's really amazing. It's cool, it's funky, it's casual, and yet it's chic. So that's today's generation, I guess.
Do we have any questions? What do you think the outfit that you're wearing is? Where else would you want to go?
I think it's really funky, and it's not too much out there. But going with metallics, I really like metallic as just wearing it out for evenings, for night wears. I can wear this at any party probably, or I can just go out clubbing in it. I think it's simple yet it's really classy, and it's very young and funky. So I love what I'm wearing, in fact.
Kriti, how much of online shopping person are you? Do you shop online?
I've recently started shopping online because there's not much time to really go out. And yeah, I think it's a great thing. You can shop online and you can just select a lot of things. You can see different colors, and yeah, it's a very time-saving thing also, in fact. So yeah, I've started shopping online recently.
I think your dress pretty much complements your upcoming film Singh is Bling. You're also quite amazing.
Yeah, that's something that you got it right.
So what's the status of the film? Like how far has it progressed?
We've not started shooting yet. We're prepping for it, and yeah, it's in the prepping stage right now. Even Akshay, I think, kind of busy with his other film. So Prabhu sir is busy with Action Jackson. So yeah, it's gonna take a while, but yeah, soon.
And are you also busy with something at the moment?
I am right now prepping for Singh is Bling, and I'm shooting for a Telugu film opposite Naga Chaitanya. So that's happening side by side.
Okay, so salsa classes are on.
Yes, dance classes are on.
Kriti, how much fashion conscious are you? Like before you get ready, so how much conscious you get? Like okay, I want this, that.
I'm not very, very fashion conscious, if you say. I think, yeah, I must say that I used to really not bother earlier, and now I've really started thinking a little at least when I step out of the house. But I still feel that, if you feel beautiful when you look at yourself in the mirror and whatever you're wearing, I think you don't need to follow any style statement. I think fashion for me is more what I like wearing, what I feel pretty in, what if there are days when you don't want to dress up, you just want to go casual with denims and probably a white t-shirt or a ganji. And there are days when I really feel like dressing up and I want to wear a nice dress or I want to wear a nice maxi. So I think it's more about your choice. It's not following a trend for me. It's more about what makes me feel nice.
Kriti, fashion and film go hand in hand, and
Yes.
since you're a newcomer in Bollywood, so
Yes.
what pressure you carry to be in the A-listers of Bollywood like Reena, Priyanka, and also how much fashion conscious?
I think to be in the A-listers, I don't think fashion is that important as is your talent. So for now, being a newcomer, yes, of course, when you step out, you need to kind of make sure that what you're wearing, you're looking good in it. That's all. If you carry it with confidence, be it in movies or be it off screen, I think that's all which you require. And Yeah, in terms of being a newcomer, I think it's more about being a newcomer in the film industry than being in fashion industry. I've been more there. I've modeled before, so fashion industry I've been a part of.
So would you like to promote the brand with Tiger?
Brand with Tiger, that you have to ask them, not me.
Are you like still in touch with Tiger and?
Yes, of course.
You are.
Yeah, we are.
Any plans of doing like a sequel for Hero Bandi or something?
Yeah, unfortunately, that doesn't depend on us. That depends on the production and the director and all of that.
So Nadia doesn't come close.
You asked Sajid Sora.
Any tweaks that River Island had to do to suit the taste of Indian?
The collection.
Can we have a photo op, please?
Okay. I think no questions, so this stop working.
Shoulder pads.
Yeah, that doesn't work for me. Well, it's not really a trend that I don't want to see. I'm no one to really say that. I think trends keep coming and going, and what might be a little boring for us might just be really great and interesting for some other generation, that's yet to come. But yes, for me, honestly, for my body type, shoulder pads is something which doesn't work too well, and because I've got broad shoulders and I've got a broad frame, so for me, shoulder pads don't really work so well.